Because take a look at the numbers. Felt more like summer. 84 in Bangor, 86 in Portland. As we mentioned, that's record-breaking warmth for this date. 87 in Freiburg and also 87 in Calais. So just for a little perspective here, we've only had 2 October days on record warmer than today in Portland. So 86 is number 3 on the list. Multiple times we've hit 85 and 84, but to be above 85 is pretty rare in the month of October. Out there tonight, still mild. We have a southwest wind. Temperatures are up in the 60s. There's actually a little bit of humidity in the air. Doesn't have totally a crisp and cool feel like we've had recently. A few patchy clouds out there, otherwise it's dry. This cold front is on the way and it moves in tomorrow night with this band of rain. Once it goes by, we're back to a fall reality for the rest of the week. So overnight, temperatures don't drop a whole lot more. I think we start tomorrow morning, most of us in the 50s early on. We'll rise into the 70s through the midday and afternoon. Wind coming in off the ocean keeps down east, especially right at the coast, a little bit cooler, and there might be a little bit of low cloud cover there in the morning. Otherwise, lots of sunshine and temperatures that, again, tomorrow afternoon make their way well into the 70s and even some low 80s. Freiburg, again, the warmest spot, 84, 78 in Portland. You can see right at the coast it will be a bit cooler, but Calais probably hits 80 again during the day tomorrow. Now, this is 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. At that point, the vast majority of us are still dry, and this rain is slow to move into the state tomorrow night. I think for most of us, the majority of it comes through Wednesday morning when we get a few hours of rain. This front, though, looks to be moving through fairly quickly. If it were to slow down, we'd have a better chance to pick up some decent totals, but it looks like by late morning or midday, the showers are coming to an end, and then we see some late day clearing on Wednesday, and then it'll be breezy and cooler for sure by Wednesday evening. I'd say around a ½ inch is a good bet. This model has upped the numbers on the coast close to an inch. It'd be great if that happens, but kind of an outlier. So about a ½ inch of rain is more likely as this front comes on by. Then we're back to sunshine for Thursday and Friday. It just feels more like October around here. Frosty both mornings. Thursday is probably the coolest afternoon, but Friday afternoon we're back up to between 55 and 60. Over the weekend, there will be some rain down over the southeast. Right now, we think high pressure should be strong enough to hold that rain to the south. But if the high drifts north, there could be some showers that approach Sunday or Monday. But right now, we rate that a low chance. Of course, we want and need the rain, but it is a holiday weekend. So just for planning purposes, we think it's likely dry now. Seas to 2 to 4 feet tomorrow with a southwest wind 10 to 20 knots. So one more warm day tomorrow, upper 70s to low 80s. Rain moves in late tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. Slow clearing Wednesday afternoon, and then much cooler for Thursday and Friday. Certainly feeling much more like October usually does, at least from time to time. And then I think the weekend's dry. We've just got to watch that system to the south. If it were to come north, could be some rain, but I think it should be dry.
I don't want to get ahead of ourselves. We have to enjoy October. I did see on my phone the Starbucks Christmas announcement.
Oh boy.
And with this weather, I feel it's
coming.
It's the season.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll see you later.
Yep.